So again, class 8 children, let's continue your GK pages. Chapter number 22, conservation of nature. So till 21, our work is complete. Tick the most appropriate answer. Which of these is not a direct consequence of deforestation? You all are familiar with the deforestation, that cutting down of the forest. So which among these is not a direct consequence? Increase in the Earth's temperature, increase in the level of carbon dioxide, decrease in the level of the groundwater, unemployment of a people. So kindly let me
Ma'am,
know.
option D.
Yes, option D. Unemployment is not the direct consequences of the deforestation. Next, which of these species is endemic to India? Lion-tailed macaw, mountain gorilla, giant panda, pine barren tree frog.
Ma'am, lion-tailed macaw.
Lion-tailed macaw is the species endemic to India. Which of these animal has become extinct in India? Means they have no more in India. Ghadial, white-billed herons, rhinoceros, Ganga's shark. So what is
Ma'am,
the
Sumatran rhinoceros.
Sumatran rhinoceros.
So this option is the correct one that has become extinct in India. Which is the only Indian state that is a home to golden langur?
Assam.
Okay, the Assam is there. Next, in which year did the United Nations develop the World Charter for the Nation? In which year?
1982.
1982. They started it. Next, which astronaut took the photography from the Earthrise?
William Enders.
William Enders.
William Enders. He was the name of the scientist who took the photograph named Earthrise. Next, seventh is, in which year did the Wildlife Protection Act of India come into effect?
1972.
1972. Which of these birds is endemic to the Andaman Islands?
Grey-headed bulbul.
Grey-headed bull.
So these are the birds which are endemic, which live particularly in endemic islands. So this was this page number. Let's continue the next page number, 23. Indian writers. Read the clues and identify the authors using the help box. So these are the name of the books and these are the scientists also. These are the name of the authors. This Indian civil servant was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2004 and is best known for his award-winning novel English, August, an Indian Story. So we need to name.
Ma'am, Upamanyu Chatterjee.
Upamanyu Chatterjee. So I missed put a line. So you may write the name of this scientist over here. Okay. Next. This Indian writer and historian is also a columnist for many famous magazines and newspapers. He wrote the book Gandhi, The Years That Changed the World in 2018. So can we have the name of
Ma'am, Ramcharan Guha.
Ramcharan Guha. It is the name of the writer. Need to write the name over here. Next is a woman writer. Is famous for writing children's book. Her first book was a collection of short stories called The Dark holds no terror. She was awarded the Padma Shri in 2009.
Shashi Deshpande.
Shashi Deshpande.
She is Shashi Deshpande. Kindly write down the name of that women writer in this box. Okay, number 4. His novel firmly established prose as a literary vehicle for a Bengali languages. Yes, Ananya Kara? Our national song Vande Mataram has been taken from his novel. So you can tell.
Ma'am, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Is it right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Next, number 5. This author has been writing for 60 years and has over 120 titles in print. He has written about his hometown in Lander Days, a writer's journal. He was awarded with the Padam Bhushan in 2014.
Ma'am, Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond. So you may write down the name of Ruskin Bond here. So I need to clear the chat. Okay. You may write down the next one. Number 6. What can be filled in number 6? An MTech in computer science. She is a prolific writer in English. What is the name of that writer? English and Kannada both.
Ma'am, Sudhamurthy.
Yes, speak again the word.
Sudha Murthy.
Sudha Murthy. Okay. Next, number 7. Children, write down the name or you can match because it is given in your book. I am the second page. The trials and the tribulations of Indian women were the subject of her first novel. What is the name of that? The Village.
Ma'am, Anita Desai.
Ma'am, Anita Desai.
Okay, write down, children. Keep on writing side by side. She's Anita Desai. Number 8, an author of popular fiction for the youth. His novel have sold over 7 million copies. In 2014, he won the Filmfare Award for Best Screenplay for the screen adaptation of The 3 Mistakes of My Life. Must be Chetan Bhagat. Is he Chetan Bhagat?
Yes, ma'am.
Chetan Bhagat.
Yes, he is 3 Mistakes of My Life, Chetan Bhagat. He is quite famous. This Anglo-Indian author received the Padma Shri Award in 2012. His first novel, The Trotter Nama, was published in 1988. His novel, The Everest Trotter.
Alan Sealy.
Alan Sealy. Beta, keep on writing. Next is his 3 fantasy novels revolving around Shiva and 2 on Ram are the fastest selling books series in Indian publishing history.
Ma'am, Amish Tripathi.
Party.
Amrit Tripathi. Kindly write down the names, beta. Amish Tripathi. Let's continue with chapter number 24. Pick the most appropriate answers. Who directed the 1913 from Raja Harishchandra? Yes, Ananya
Dada
Kahra.
Sahib Phalke.
Dada Saheb
Dada
Phalke.
Sahib Phalke. Which of these Indian scriptwriter translated the plays of the famous authors?
Ritik Ghatak.
Ritik Ghatak. Number 2. Who directed Deepika Padukone starter Chapak?
Megha Gulzar.
Yes, about an
Megha
acid
Gulzar.
attack with Megha Gulzar. Have you seen that movie, Chapak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. तभी आप स्कूल नहीं आना चाहते. Dharma Production is an Indian film production company owned by who among these?
Karan Johar.
Karan Johar. Who started in 2000?
Ma'am, Ajay Devgan.
Ajay Devgan.
Warrior. Ajay Devgan. Who directed the 2019 film Andhadhund?
Sri Ram Raghavan.
Sri Ram Raghavan. Vishal Bhardwaj's 2014 film Heather was an adaptation of which of these Shakespeare's play? One of the
Hamlet.
Hamlet. So, and last one is which of these is 2019 film starring Ranveer Singh? Starring
Gully
Ranveer Singh.
Gully Boy.
Boy.
ये भी आपने सबने देखा होगा. Have you seen this movie?
No, ma'am.
No? Why?
Excuse me, ma'am.